What's up, everybody? We're doing rabbit stuff. Yay, kinda. Because we do have to take the rear plate off to get the crank out, and to take the crank or the main caps off, the plates have to be off both sides anyway. So we need to take the engine off the stand, which wouldn't really be a problem except for we don't have our cherry picker right now because Chris Whitepants is borrowing it. I'm gonna try and pick this up with it on the stand and see, kind of gauge what we're dealing with here.
Someone out there, I'll pack my bags to Rio. She's a dancer, but I'm a drummer. I'm lost in this world, but I found myself in Rio. On a blanket across the ocean.
Destroyer time. Yeah. Remember a camera, the back main is bigger than the front main.
It's so ridiculous, dude. It's great. GTO. Alright, so it's kind of looking like it's going to rain, which I hope it doesn't, because we're going to get the pressure washer right now. But also going to get Ross's hex set, because Volkswagen sure loves their Allen head stuff, and the bolts holding the oil squirters on are an 8 or 9 millimeter hex. And also the pressure washers at Ross's house. So, I think I already said that actually, but whatever. You got enough engines just chilling in there? You right. Alright, so people keep sending me messages asking when the next t-shirt is going to be out, and there's good news. It's out, and it's this. And I want to give a shout out to Victor. I don't remember how to pronounce his last name, so I don't want to butcher it. But check out his YouTube channel. I posted on Snapchat that people should give me ideas for shirts. And he's like, what about just like a collage of Miatas? And initially the plan was like, I was like, oh hell yeah, we'll get Miatas on every square inch of the shirt. But Teespring can't do that. So instead of that, we took the Miata collage that I made, and then I put a smile mask over it. Because Miatas are always smiling, and so should you. They're $17.99, or you can get a sticker for $6, or you can get a hoodie for I think $28.99 at teespring.com/bcsmile. Once again, here's the design, and go up here, click this link, and you can go get yourself one. You have 2 weeks. You can see Ross has been doing truck stuff.
Who can relate? Woo!
Always got that one.
So, oil squirters are out. At least the ones that are coming out. So yeah, anyway, 2 of them stripped, but the pistons don't go, I mean obviously they don't go all the way down. You can actually see the line in the cylinder walls where they don't reach. So the oil squirter shouldn't entirely be in the way of honing it. I guess I'll find out when I hone it. You can already see the grease just dripping off of this thing, so that's pretty neat. So we're gonna let it sit for 10 minutes and then bust out the Harbor Freight special pressure washer that someone said was garbage. But like, how bad could a pressure washer be when you're pretty much just using it for engines and cars?
Yeah, I mean, you don't want anything too powerful. You're taking paint off or you're gonna blow your engine block off the stand.
80,000 PSI pressure washers, 350 horsepower. Dude, let's build a V8 swap pressure washer.
Why? Put a blower on it.
They have a lot of torque.
Put a blower on it. Makes 800 horsepower. Just wide open.
That would be pretty awesome, actually. For no good reason, but it would be awesome. I've gone barefoot for the cause, and like, as you can tell by Ross's attire, as compared to mine, it's not warm out here.
No.
I'm barefoot and about to play in the water, so
Catch a cold.
here you go. Dude, that's solid, honestly.
Nice head.
I'd kill to get a head like that.
Hey.
Dude, Hoonigan would probably give that a solid 7.9. But yeah, we're gonna enjoy a nice frothy ale. Got the hot dog rolling. Cause it's hot. I mean, not hot in here.
Whoa.
For the taste and that it's not sweet, like not as sweet as I was thinking.
Yeah.
Like that's
It has
pretty good.
fruit flavor, but it's not a super sweet beer.
Yeah.
It's nice.
Alright, I'm gonna pour my beer and then I'll show you the engine.
That's a Jimmy Up plug right there.
I got wet. Alright guys, that's gonna do it for this video. We're doing the Taylor Ray ending because it was already on the tripod. In that last shot, here I'll put it over here while I'm talking again. You can see the engine's super clean. There's a lot of spots where the gray paint that was on it is no longer there, or probably wasn't anyway. Just was covered in grime so you couldn't tell. But yeah, it's clean. A lot of people are going to tell me to repaint it. Austin and Ross already have. I'm probably not gonna, just cause like...
There's nothing even to mask on this side. Get the out of here. There's two things that you need to mask up.
It's too many. Let us know in the comments, except don't, because you're all going to say paint it. Make sure you guys subscribe, give us a big thumbs up. I was supposed to do stuff with the Miata today, but it's cold outside, so I'm not gonna. And yeah, make sure you submit your entries for Car of the Video, cursefforeverhelp@gmail.com. Go sell yourself. No, go... Go buy yourself a Smile Miata shirt. It'll make you smile like Miata smile. Make sure to follow me on Instagram, add me on Snapchat at BigB1011. We will see you guys in the next video. Peace, soul flanker.